Did you know a wind-up whale once carried a secret across oceans and wars? In 1943, a German U-boat dropped a crate into the Atlantic after a convoy attack. Inside lay a small toy whale with a metal plate etched with dots, too fine to read without a magnifier. The crate sank near the Azores. In 1987, a fisherman named Tomas Rojas pulled that same toy from a net off Madeira and donated it to the Madeira Maritime Museum. Cryptologist Dr. Lena Kors deciphered a pattern of dots as a course to a volcanic islet and a hidden cave. By 2021, storms loosened the islet. Diver Marin Hale slipped through a coral tunnel and found a sealed chest beneath a fallen pillar. The chest held the whale, a spinning compass, and a letter dated 14th May 1943 from Captain Dieter Kraus, admitting they hid the cargo to buy time for civilians. The town mayor had urged them to stash it to fund flood relief. The treasure was not coins, but a ledger of repairs, debts forgiven after the flood, restoring water mains and schools. Truth survived where gold did not, and the sea kept the record alive.